Hello everybody, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna be telling you guys, can you see who follows your playlist on Spotify? And before I answer this question to you guys, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe button to our channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And let's start the video now. And yeah, watch this video until the end without skipping, other else you guys might get confused on can you see or can you not see who follows your playlist on Spotify. Well, let's start it. Well, according to the current time, in 2021, you cannot see who follows your playlist on Spotify. Spotify has not provided this feature yet. Well, you can see who follows you like this. You can click on the gear icon and click on where it says view profile. Once you click on view profile, you can click on where it says 3 followers and click on this and you can see who follows you. But as you guys can see on my playlist, it says 0 followers. That means that I can see how many people follows my playlist, but I cannot know like who are they who follows my playlist. So let's say I click on my playlist over here. I cannot see where like somebody is following or not. If somebody was following my playlist, it was just gonna show me the number over here, but I couldn't see who the follower was. Like on my followers, if I click on my followers, I can see their number and see who is following me. But on my playlist, I can only see the number, I cannot see the name. Until now, Spotify has not released any update about showing the followers of your playlist. So if they do in their future, then we will upload a video related to that. So for that, you need to hit that like and subscribe button with notification turned on to our channel. So when this video releases on how you can see your followers of your playlist, we will upload it. So to get notified, you need to hit that subscribe button with notification on. And yeah, please do that, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And if you guys have any question related with this video, then ask us in the comment. I'll get to it as soon as I can to help you guys with it. And yeah, hope to see you guys again. Bye bye.